So here's the pieces of the clock mechanism that you're going to need. There might be more pieces included in the kit that we sent, but you can disregard those. You'll just need the actual movement, this rubber gasket, this cap, which goes on last, this nut, and this washer, and the hands, obviously. So the first thing you're going to do is take this rubber gasket and slide it over top of the mechanism. And then insert the mechanism into the back of the clock. I'm going to sit down for this. While applying some pressure on the actual mechanism to keep it steady, slide the washer over top of the mechanism and the nut over top of the washer, and you can tighten with your hand, again, while pushing in on the mechanism on the backhand side to make sure that it's fully compressed against the clock. Tighten until it's hand tight. Don't over tighten it with a like a tool, or don't, with your fingers. Try not to crank it because that'll pinch the mechanism and then limit the amount of movement that it actually has. The next step is to push the hour hand down onto the mechanism. Again, don't over push it, just push it until it's tight. Secondly, fit the minute hand over. And then lastly, you take this cap and you hand tighten it until it's snug. And again, do not over tighten it, or else it'll restrict the amount of movement that the actual hand has. Insert the battery into the back of the clock. And when you adjust the time, use this knob on the back. Don't ever adjust the time by torquing the hands. Just use this knob to do it, otherwise it'll affect the actual mechanism.